Have you ever marveled at how engineers simplify complex systems? The secret lies in functional decomposition. This powerful technique breaks down intricate products into smaller, manageable subsystems, making design, development, and maintenance a breeze. Functional decomposition involves identifying a system's main purpose and systematically dividing it into subsystems, each with a specific function. Think of it like solving a puzzle. Piece by piece, we uncover the bigger picture. The process begins with 6 key steps. First, define the system's overall function. Next, break it into smaller subsystems. Then, use iterative decomposition to drill down further. Identify core functions for each part. Organize these into a clear hierarchy. Finally, visualize the structure with diagrams or flowcharts. Engineers use various techniques like the top-down and bottom-up approaches, or tools like the functional flow block diagram. These methods ensure every function is clearly understood and effectively organized. Advanced methods like event-based decomposition or physics-based qualitative reasoning take this process to the next level. They integrate automation and algorithms to refine system designs. Practical tools like function trees and functional reference architectures help visualize relationships and interactions, streamlining the process for engineers. Why does functional decomposition matter? It simplifies complexity, fosters innovation, and enhances efficiency. Whether you're designing cutting-edge tech or maintaining existing systems, it's an indispensable tool. So next time you face a daunting system, remember, break it down with functional decomposition. Simplify, innovate, succeed. Thanks for watching.